I'm Richard Ahern. I'm the Vice Chairman of Porthmadog Rowing Club, and most people would say it was probably my idea that we're doing this crazy row down to Cardiff. So the idea is that we're setting off this morning and we're rowing 230 miles down the coastline of Wales to Cardiff, calling at various clubs on the way who are hopefully going to be very hospitable and put us up and feed us. So that we're now in the process of launching the boats. There's one boat going to be rowing all the way, and there will be another boat coming down on the trailer as a spare boat, and also so that we have two boats in the bay in Cardiff to celebrate the 10th birthday of the Millennium Centre.
My name's Maggie Clark and I row with Porthmadog, the Madog Yacht Club rowing section. We're setting off to Cardiff, which is 230 miles, and I'm doing the first 5 days. So I'm rowing the second stint this morning, which is, I think, from Shell Island to Barmouth.
Yes, I'm Bill Andrews, and we're just coxing the boat out to the powder house, just as a flotilla. There's 3 boats going out, just to send them off to take the slate down to Cardiff.
I never thought that when I got into my late 60s I would begin a new hobby and do so many wonderful things with a wonderful group of people. I would just like to say thank you for Madog Yacht Club rowing section, for everything they've given me, for the friendship and help and enthusiasm. It really has changed my life, and I'm very grateful.